Okay.
Doctor, one thing. What about have you read about today's in one article that about the 1 second is reducing how to express it in 24 hours 1 second is reducing and it is causing due to global warming.
Nothing like that.
Nothing like that. It's like glucose are melting and what glucose are melting and water rise. So half second or 1 second is reducing and so I didn't believe it.
Time is reducing, is it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, isn't it?
Actually, there is a institution called PRL.
PR,
PRL,
PRL.
Physical Research Laboratory.
Uh,
That's in Delhi.
that I think so. I had visited not not PRL. I had
PRL is the
visited.
institute who decides that one scale, we say this is 1 meter.
Is it that CSIR and all?
That is under CSIR. PRL.
Okay.
I gave a
Okay.
lecture there for
I had visited that place.
Ladies Scientist Association. I gave a lecture in 2009 or 2008 or something.
I had visited that place and I see so much of strange things and all, and was like,
What do they do is they decide 1 kilogram means this much, 1 meter means this much. They keep on observing the time is changing, temperature is changing, all that they will keep on physical parameters they will search and they will declare if there is a change.
yes,
Okay, so as far as the whole world is concerned, so far there is nothing varying in terms of time, space, LKG. You say that MKS system.
yes,
They are all fixed by these people. There is no change now. Everything is relative. So time also is relative. So assume that we have 24 hours which takes for the sun to come and then come back. That is the time, physical time. If there is a change, what we will do? The clock will be adjusted accordingly. You understood? That is how it is to be done. But that measurable thing never happened so far. Measurable thing did not happen so far. Most of the papers and then such gossips are coming are all just to make somebody become famous. They will write something. Global warming itself is a bogus thing which is not there in this country, in the world. It is an American politics. Okay, the great global warming swindle, there is a movie. the great
great
the great global warming
global
swindle.
warming. Okay,
The
swindle.
swindle means bad, wrong information.
Okay,
So unbelievable things, false story. There are lot of scientists who don't even believe. I also don't believe global warming is not there as far as I am concerned. There is a local temperature variation. Weather keeps varying. Delhi, this may be 4 degrees Celsius now. In summer it becomes 44 degree. Variation is there. That is weather, not climate. Climate will not change. Weather changes. Whatever change happens over a period of time, it is called a climate. But global warming, people predicted there is a climate change. Climate cannot change because the change itself is called a climate.
yes.
You understood?
Yes.
Every scientist need not agree. Some scientists agree, some scientists don't agree. I
Okay.
remember in Thiruvananthapuram there was a big conference. CPI,
CPA.
not CPIM, not Pinarayi Vijayan.
No, CPA.
CPI. They are supposed to be better intellectual people than Marxist fellows. They are thinkers. They conduct a seminar like this. They called me as a keynote speaker.
Okay.
Okay. But then there are a lot of people like lot of politicians, lot of poets, including ONV Kurup, Bhaskaran, P. Bhaskaran, some MP, member of parliament was there. All of them spoke. I said, keynote speaker, I want long time. I don't care whether these big people are beside me or not. You all go. After that, I will speak. Actually, global warming, all these poets and politicians supported global warming. But then I spoke against global warming.
Okay.
Actually, the conference was to tell there is global warming. But then I said there is no global warming.
Okay.
Next day newspaper, no news came where I spoke, everything was ignored.
Oh.
In their paper.
And their paper.
But some other paper, Manorama and all gave, Dr. T.P. Shashikumar. Big letter it came. Then immediately I went to Asianet Radio, Asianet TV. I said I came for a conference and these people did not report my... I have friends in most of the press. And I told this newspaper editor also, I am going to talk against your paper. Okay. Then he said, sir, don't speak. Tomorrow I will publish your whole article.
Okay.
I said, where do you have? Did you record anything? They did not record. Now, what am I doing? I am recording whatever we are speaking, right?
Yes.
So I recorded that talk also. I said, come, I will give my recorded version. You publish if you can.
Okay.
So next day, a full page was published
Oh.
on my version on global warming. Okay. And then what happened was, there is a great, you may not know, I.V. Shashi is a great cinema director. I.V. Shashi's brother was the editor that time.
Oh.
That editor lost his job
Oh.
because he published against the party.
Okay. Horrible.
Then, after few years, the party itself decided there is no global warming.
What a blunder.
So who will decide whether there is global warming or not? It is all politics who decides. Actually, global warming is a science.
Yes.
But who got Nobel Prize for that? Ex-Vice President of America.
Oh.
So what does it mean? Global warming is more of politics than science.
This even our books is containing textbooks are containing of this global warming.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Most of them will be there. That is because everybody believes what, if there is a rich fellow who says, we will believe. A poor man says, we will not believe. So if America says there is global warming, everybody will say there is global warming. You understood?
So this PFC are not posing that much danger to
Actually, there is weather change. But whole globe is not warming. So the word global warming is only I am contesting.
okay.
There is a change in unpredictable change in the climate. Not true. Unpredictable change in the weather is there.
There is there.
Weather will keep changing, but it is not very harmful because in Delhi we have got a weather change from summer to winter. 40-degree change is there. But with 40-degree change also we are able to live happily.
Yes.
So in 50 years, if the weather is going to change, increase the world temperature by 2 degree or 3 degree, nothing is going to happen because we all get acclimatized. The word is called acclimatized. Climate acclimatization.
Acclimatize.
Yeah. We all get adjusted. It is called adjusted.
AC or AC?
Acclimatization. Climate A. Start with A and then acclimate.
Okay.
So when we get adjusted with the temperature, we will have no problem. But there can be some places where they may not adjust. So it is not warming. Some places where there were lot of temperature, now it is becoming cooler. Gulf and all, when I used to travel in 2000, 20 years back, the place where it was almost like a desert, today there are greenery. So people will not record that. They will only talk about negatives. Why positives are not shown?
It is not interesting to
Yeah. See, when there is a cyclone or there is a tsunami, some place in the land is eaten away by the sea.
yes.
But then there are some places where sea withdraw and give lot of land also.
Yeah.
But that people will not write.
Yes.
You understood? So this is a nature. Nature is always behaves in its own style. You have no control on that. So what is to be done? There is no point in alarming people, telling that no, you should not have development. You should check your vehicle every 6 months. Tell me which vehicle after checking people did not get certificate. Everybody gets.
Yes.
Whom are you fooling? See, show me one vehicle which did not get a pollution certificate in this country. Everybody is getting.
Everybody is getting.
If I am not getting from one place, I will go to another place and he will give me, because he gets commission. Nah?
Yes.
So what are we doing?
It's like fooling.
It's actually fooling. That is only my contest which says, assume you tell a problem to the person. I am actually alarming the world. When I say that there is a problem, I must be able to, as a scientist, must provide a solution.
Yes.
Otherwise, there is no point. I am only looting people. So America makes lot of paper on unnecessary problems, and then they will start propagating, because they will tell, if you want to do research in this, come to America. So that so many people will go to America, by which they get again money, because anything is a business. So global warming is a big business. One of the big business is called carbon trading. Carbon trading.
Trading.
Trade means business. Carbon trading. You know what is carbon trading says? Assume
No.
now we have a pollution check. Assume my car which I am driving got a pollution which is beyond 1 unit, which is supposed to be below 1 unit, then I am free. Suppose my car, when I was driving, somebody catches and it's find that there are 2 units or 3 units pollution. Then what I have to tell this, I have another 3 car in my house which I am not using. So all together it is not a polluting.
It's like I heard about that one emission of one country,
Yeah.
and there is a ratio, and
I can change. Assume that I am running a factory and you are running a factory. I am polluting more, you are not polluting. We shake hand and then say together we will give the credit. That's called a carbon credit. I can sell my carbon credit to you.
so it's like an adjustment and paying money and
Yeah. So is it not again fooling?
Yes.
These are all different things which is happening in
Maybe
the.
like this developed countries and
Yeah, this is why I say it is a big business which started by America, and then we are suffering because we are unnecessarily. That is why when Manmohan Singh has to sign the agreement, Kyoto Protocol, that started in Kyoto, and there are many such ones. When Manmohan Singh was asked to sign, Manmohan Singh said no, I will not sign this, because number of people in India is more, and as a whole nation, if you consider, we are not polluting, it is America who is polluting more.
okay.
Don't consider country wise quota. What you should do? Consider quota with the number of per head.
Yes, like we take in GDP and all.
Yeah. If you do that, then India is not polluting. Therefore, we will not agree with any of these conditions, we said. So, he was a very good leader. He could argue with, because he has got a good brain, na?
Yes.
So, sometimes rules are for fools. You can fool people by this.
Yes.
Good enough?
Then what about the plastic making a pollution on the land? Plastic. Some are saying that plastic will be on the earth for 500 years and all.
See, plastic is also, thermocol is also, everything comes out of what? A byproduct of the biofuel,
Petroleum.
the petroleum product. It's all petroleum. But it is mixed with a lot of chemistry to stay stronger. So what is to be done? It has to be recycled and used.
Okay.
If it is not recycled and used, see all the mutton, chicken which you are eating also, the buffalo, when you open the stomach and then see, there will be a lot of plastic inside.
Plastic.
Because the buffalo will eat, no? It is not able to segregate and separate. Assume that there is a big grass bunch is given, in which you put some plastic sheet and then give it to the buffalo, will eat as it is.
Yes.
So what is inside is full plastic. It was seen that most of the animals, like fish in the sea, you throw lot of things which goes in small particles. Big plastic is not a problem. We can recycle. The problem is when you are cutting the milk packet. The bigger packet you are selling it to somebody, or somebody will pick it up, somebody will take it, and then they will go for recycling. Every scrap picking up fellow, every people who are on the street who are picking up all these old items and then selling, they make money. The big packet will go, but what will not go? The small corner which you are cutting, that will go into buffaloes, that will go into the fish, that will become small ingredients and then go. Such things are there already.
Yes.
And when you eat that, you get a lot of problems. This is part of the world. So now what is to be done? Assume that at your house when you cut, don't cut totally and remove that piece. Cut it somewhere, allow that piece to be part of that bigger piece.
Okay.
Otherwise take a bottle, plastic bottle, take all the polythene covers, fill it up, and then put a tap and then put it together. So you are not keeping small things to go.
Yes.
If that education is given, it's good. See, we cannot avoid plastic.
Yes.
Because we depend on plastic for many things in this world now. So what is to be done? Education is what is to be given. Instead of that, what government will do? It will stop. All plastic sheets are stopped.
Yeah.
Without giving a substitute.
Yes.
You understood? We don't have any mechanism to carry items. We need a lot of things in the world. So what is to be done? So that is why sometimes people look me as a conjuse. I don't even throw any of the packets and all that. What do? All the packets which are coming, Amazon, all the order which I give, everything I will put it, pack it inside. Last I will throw it.
Yes. Even if I eat chocolate, I will put it in my
bunch it together. Don't put it in the waste bag and every day throw it.
I'll put it in my bag and then store it, and
after that again you are putting in the dustbin. The dustbin will go. What I am saying?
No.
Put a plastic dabba, put it inside so that the dabba is going along with that waste.
Oh, like that way.
Yeah, so that the anybody who is picking up the bottle, he will pick up the bottle. He may not pick up small scrappers. The wrapper of a chocolate, nobody will pick it up. You understood? So what you do is, in a bigger packet, put all the chocolate small wrappers, so that will go along with the bunch.
Now I got.
There are small things which makes lot of difference.
Okay. It's a new idea. Good idea. Better idea. I haven't think about it. I was thinking like if I collect
Hey, even if I cut the milk packet, I will not cut totally. I will only cut a little bit so that the rest of the piece also stay with the original one.
original part.
We cannot avoid, no?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, but generally I am not buying packet milk. I will buy only from the local vendor who will give me in a, and I will use only this bottle.
Yes.
No plastic bottle. No? But we cannot avoid some items, they sell it only in plastic bottle, right?
Even if like in traveling and all, it is necessary that we should buy in plastic bottle. Maximum we can avoid. Right?
Reduce. If you cannot avoid, reduce it.